Hello and welcome to today's Talk of the Town. It's almost hard to believe that it's been a year since the last year's Hilton Head Island Motoring Festival in Concours d'Elegance. And with me today I have Sawyer Strecek. And Sawyer, I'm so excited for this year's event. It is going to be absolutely amazing. So many things going on, and I'm going to let you tell everybody what's going on.
Exactly. It's the 10th annual event. So it's grown and grown each year, and we're up to 2 full weekends with a multitude of activities going on each weekend. It starts in Hutchinson Island, October 28th through the 30th, and then concludes the following weekend in Hilton Head Island at Honeyhorn, November 5th and 6th with the Concours d'Elegance.
It's almost hard to believe. It started as just a 2-day event, just basically a car show. Mm-hmm. And over these years, over the last several years, it's grown into just an amazing event. And people come from all over.
Yes, people and vehicles come from all around the world, actually. Last year we had 13,000 in attendance, and this year we're looking at more at 15,000. So, wow. I mean, it's going to be massive.
Wow.
It started as, like you said, a car show, and it was typically geared toward the car type people, but as the event grown, we've understood that, you know, we're trying to get all types in because we really want this to be a family event, a family festival.
Right.
So we have a Savannah Classic speed road race.
Is that what you said? It starts in Hutchinson Island. What exactly is taking place in Hutchinson Island? Is it the speed race? Is that what's going on?
Yes.
Okay.
BMW is our mark this year, and we're going to be having BMW displayed in each category, really. But we'll have a car club challenge. We'll have vintage Indy race cars, hot laps, and pit access, all at the Hutchinson Island racetrack.
Okay, and that's for 2 days?
Yeah, it's actually a Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Oh, 3 days there. Wow, okay.
And then when you move to the Hilton Head area, it's the Saturday and Sunday, and we'll have a car club jamboree, the motoring midway, and it all concludes with the Concours d'Elegance with the classic cars that you would typically think of.
Wow.
For a motoring festival. So it's going to be, you know, out of this world.
Yeah, absolutely. People can go online, call 785-SHOW, and be able to get their tickets. And if I read correctly, they can get discounts on their tickets before, I think, October 15th.
Yeah, exactly. If you log on to hhiconcours.com, or you can find us on Facebook, that will give you all of the details on sponsors and show information, ticket packaging. You can buy, you know, anything really.
When do people start signing up, or I guess working or applying to be part of the show as far as putting a car in?
Right now, actually. And I believe there's different deadlines for each.
Okay.
But you can go online and actually register your car, which I believe they're going through the process right now.
So there must be certain criteria on that application that tells them what is and isn't allowed. And I know just from last year's show, there is just an amazing amount of just different types of cars, different ages of cars coming from everywhere, and they were in immaculate condition. Some of them were just unbelievable.
It's really amazing to watch. I mean, and we have new cars every year. This year we'll actually be bringing in a BMW bike from pre-World War that was just found in 2005. I mean, it's priceless. It's going to be amazing. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see this bike.
Yeah. What else goes on at the festival? I mean, will there be music, food, you know, bar set up, or how do they how is it all set up at the Honeyhorn?
Well, it'll be exhibitors and display cars. And it'll be food and drinks and entertainment, something for the kids. It's really a well-rounded festival.
Can people purchase tickets that allow them to both events?
Yes, and we even have corporate packages, there's patron packages, hospitality packages. There's all different kinds of ways you can attend this festival.
Okay, and they can just get a hold of the basically the Concours d'Elegance committee show, and or go online in order to get that information. What can you give us any ideas of some of maybe the unique cars we may see this year?
Well, we have a new exhibit, 2 new exhibits this year. It's called Life in the Fast Lane, and it's tuner cars, which is new this year. And we'll also
tell us what's a tuner car.
Well, that's a really good question. I'm still learning about all the different cars, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be kind of like a souped-up car.
Okay.
It'll have all the extras.
Got it.
And then we'll also have Life in the Woe Lane, which will have carriages.
Oh,
so that'll be for the first time.
That will be very interesting. Yeah. That's a really different category from anything I've ever seen there. So that'll be fun. That'll be really fun. Kids should enjoy that.
Yeah, definitely.
And hopefully the weather will be amazing. It was last year, if I recall.
It's such a great time of year too.
It is a great time of year.
If you're not coming from the island, then this is the time to do it.
Yeah, absolutely. So people come from all over the world, and we're thrilled about that too. Yeah. So one more time, the dates.
The dates are, they're 2 full weekends, October 28th to 30th for the Savannah Speed Classic, and November 5th and 6th for the Car Club Jamboree, the Motoring Midway, and the Concours d'Elegance.
Well, we are so excited to have that come up this year, and thank you so much for being with us today, Sawyer.
Certainly.
And we will see you back on Talk of the Town in just a minute. Thank you.